How's it going, guys? This is Adam Drake from Mugen Seiki Racing, and just got a quick video here. I've been asked this question a few times in the past, and it was brought up recently, so figured I'd do a quick video on it. And I was asked what the purpose of this set screw is in the front upright. We also have a similar set screw on the rear hub carrier. And I was asked, hey, what's that for? Does something go there or something bolt to it? And basically what that hole is for is to be able to spray out or lube the bearings. I don't use this screw to spray out or lube the bearings. When I'm ready to service the bearings, I go ahead and remove the axle and drive shaft, remove the bearing, and go ahead and spray out the bearings with brake cleaner, and then re-lube the bearings with tri-flow or a synthetic bearing oil. But that's what it's intended for. It's not something that any special or trick thing that bolts to it or anything like that. It was more of just kind of a service item that Mugen started putting on their cars way back in the early days, and have continued to do it all the way through the current models of today. Just wanted to share that with you. Like I said, I like to actually disassemble and spray out and then lube the bearings and then build the assembly back up. But if you're in a hurry, you can go ahead, remove the set screw, stick the nozzle of brake cleaner or any type of bearing oil and squirt it in there, and it'll go ahead and service those bearings.